Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by installing Airdroid parental control on both devices. This ensures direct communication. Next, sign into the same account and grant location and notification permissions so monitoring works reliably. Once done, pair devices using the shown 6-digit code or QR. Accept pairing on the child device. This first step creates the secure link that lets you view device status and enforce rules. Make sure to explain pairing to the child so they know why permissions are required and won't accidentally disable them. Once paired, you configure controls by setting app limits and building a screen time schedule that fits family routines. Enable location tracking and define safe zones so you get alerts when the child arrives or leaves key places. Then apply web filters and block categories or specific apps to reduce distractions. Also enable activity reports and push alerts so you see usage trends. Make sure to require a PIN for parental changes. This prevents kids from altering limits and preserves the policy you just set. To finish, run a brief test. Trigger a blocked app, change location, and attempt a restricted action so you confirm policies work. Once done, verify PIN protection, notifications, and remote lock respond as expected. If something fails, check permissions on the child device, ensure both devices have active network access, and disable battery optimizations that can stop background monitoring. One key troubleshooting tip: re-grant location and background permissions before reinstalling. Missing permissions are the most common cause of sync failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.